الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله.
Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Here you have heard the beautiful Adhan that is called by Kadim S. Rahman, who called it for the first time in loudspeaker at London's Canary Wharf. That's so amazing. Tabarakallah. What a beautiful voice and intonation for calling Adhan. Adhan is the Muslim call to prayer, and this brother, he has made a history by calling it for the first time in loudspeaker in Canary Wharf in London. May Allah bless his work. He is a businessman and he's also trying his best to earn halal income, and he's also trying to spread the work of this deen, and he's also a practicing Muslim, also giving adhan, calling people to prayer. Tabarakallah. May Allah make things easy for everyone. And my brothers and sisters, when the call to prayer is done, then get ready and start praying your prayer, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the adhan has kept the words hayya ala salah, hayya ala al-falah, come to prayer, come to success. So if you fulfill your prayers, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will make you successful.
Please support our dawah works at www.supportdawah.com.